Hi, Ma'am Vanessa.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
Anong gagawin natin?
Hair color at saka para matakpan lang yung white hair ko.
White hair.
Oo. Parang ganito siya, oh.
Yan ang ganyan. Tapos mag-curtain bangs tayo na hanggang dito.
Oo.
Yan.
Oo.
Okay. Yan. Kamusta, Ma'am?
It's
Ang
good.
color.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, thank you
Diba?
so much for your assistance.
Sakto lang yung tingkad niya, Ma'am.
Oo.
Yung
It's nice.
violet.
It's
Ay,
nice.
sorry,
I
Ma'am.
like it. I really like it.
Oo. Yan.
Especially the color. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng
Ganda.
outcome.
Yan. Tapos alagaan mo to ng Fora, Ma'am, na hair mask para hindi siya mag-dry. Tapos, ma-maintain mo siya. Yan. Yung purple shampoo, ano lang yun, once a week lang.
Once a week.
Oo. Kasi purple na siya, so, kailangan mo pa rin. Pero, siguro mga twice a week
Nice of
or once a week. Yan.
Alright.
Picture natin, ha?
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Nice. I
much.
like it. Thank you so much.